Hi, I am Bogdan, the owner of DNN Sharp. Today is that day again when I get to present new releases to you. And this time is a Aweber integration with our form builder module. If you're not familiar, let me give you a brief introduction. Aweber is an email marketing software. It's similar to MailChimp, to Constant Contact, to Campaign Monitor, all these services that we already have integration with. Basically, it allows you to build a list of subscribers and send email campaigns to these subscribers. And I will jump right into action. I will create a new form and show you how you can build a form to capture leads and push them to Aweber. So I will start with a new action form module. And what I will do, I will create an email field and I will create a subscribe button. Next, I will add the action to subscribe the user to Aweber. And this is located in the email section. It's called subscribe to Aweber. Note that there's also an unsubscribe action, so you can get users out of the list as well. So after I add this, the only thing that I'm requested at this point is to input the list name. And I've already created a list called test. I will show you that in a bit. And I have to choose an email field. Of course, I can also pass custom data like the name or even create custom fields in Aweber. But I will not go through this in this demo. So now all I have to do is save, but note that so far we haven't specified to which Aweber account we need to connect. And this happens on the next step. So note how I'm redirected to the Aweber to obtain authorization. So all I have to do is put my username and password, allow access, and then the form is authorized to push email subscribers to the list. So now all I have to do is go to the front end and try to subscribe to the list. Okay. And that's it. That's all I had to do. Now I can go to Aweber in my account. I'm in the test list. And here I can check the subscribers and I should be able to see my email address somewhere here amongst these other tests. Yeah. So now I would also have to confirm my email address, my subscription. That's an option of Aweber. And also note that I didn't pass a name, so maybe that would have been nice to also have a name. So that was simple, right? There's not much more to add, only that you can pass, like I mentioned earlier, you can pass custom fields. And also you can create your own application on Aweber. So right now what we used, we connected to a default application created by us from DNN Sharp. And you can use that one. But if you are you really want to have control everything, you can go to labs.aweber.com. Let me type it here, labs.aweber.com, and you can create your own application. And after you create your own application, you can wire the information in the config file. So this would be aweber.config. Like maybe you're already familiar, each action that you see in action form has a config file with all the parameters and also some settings. So you'd have to put your own data here and you can use your own application. But most of the time you will not need to do that. This add-on will also be part of the collections, like you got used to, of the collection that include the add-ons, of course. So if you already have those, you can grab it right away. If not, you can buy it from DNN store. It also requires latest build or action form, so make sure to also get that from our site or from the DNN store patches. And that's it. I think this was very easy for me to explain, and it shows that it's a very easy integration to implement on your websites today. Thank you for your time.